Okay. Hello everyone. Good afternoon. Now today we are live with Dr. Sefali Gupta ma'am. And everybody क्या होता है ना, जब शादी हो जाते हैं या बच्चे भी हो जाता है, हम लोग अपना कैरियर में क्या होना है छोड़ देते हैं। बट ऐसा एक मतलब पर्सनालिटी आज मुझे मिला कि मैं उनसे बहुत कुछ आज सीखने वाली हूँ। होप करती हूँ सब लोग यहाँ पे सीखने वाले हैं, जो कि एक प्राउड आर्मी ऑफिसर है और एजुकेशनलिस्ट है। बहुत सारे अवार्ड भी विन किए हैं। विल गो थ्रू दिस इन दिस लाइफ. So, ma'am, inviting to you from Unique Space. Thanks for giving your time and valuable effort here. Please do have some small introduction, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you so much, Lipsa. It's my honor to be here on this platform and be with all Odia people and all over Indian people. Thank you so much for inviting me. I am Dr. Shefali Gupta. I am international public speaker and motivational speaker. I take my sessions to Canada and USA also. In some of the universities
Great.
and Indian universities, I cover up the whole. And I am
That is great.
basically, Lipsa, I am an educationist and a proud army wife. So I love my work and I enjoy my work.
How can you, ma'am, from army wife too? Because I have few army friends and relatives also. They are like always in tension or something else, in something different negative world. They can
No,
think positive like successful thing. How it will
no,
drive
see,
from army wife to that particular way?
yes, actually, Lipsa, when we enter in army and we become an army wife,
Yes,
so I think God has chosen us to become like this because He thinks that we are the most courageous women in this world. We are sometimes we have to live separately from our husbands months and months altogether. We miss all the festivals like Diwali is coming and we are not with our husbands. We miss the family time, but whenever we are together, we are full of life, we enjoy life, and we spread positivity everywhere. You know, we carry our DP with us. DP is D for display, P for positivity. So
yes.
we carry our own DP with us wherever we go. कभी छोटा स्टेशन मिलता है, कभी पहाड़ होते हैं, कभी बहुत circumstances बहुत different होती हैं. अभी भी आपको पता होगा लद्दाख में बहुत सारे हमारे फैमिलीज हैं, वहां पर भी लोग रह रहे हैं.
जी
सो
मैम.
विद पॉजिटिविटी हम इतना स्प्रेड कर देते हैं कि हमें पता ही नहीं चलता कि कब टाइम निकल गया. वी एंजॉय ईच एंड एवरी मोमेंट ऑफ आवर लाइफ एंड दोज हु आर वाचिंग अस, आई जस्ट वांट टू कन्वे टू ऑल ऑफ देम, have enthusiasm, have a little kid inside you always. Yes, प्रॉब्लम्स आती हैं, आपको फेस करनी पड़ेंगी, बहुत प्रॉब्लम्स आती हैं, लेकिन अगर आपकी डीपी अपने साथ है, सो आपके अराउंड ही बहुत सारी पॉजिटिविटी हो जाती है एंड आपका टाइम ऐसे निकल जाता है. सो बी हैप्पी, एंजॉय योर लाइफ, एंजॉय ईच एंड एवरी सेकेंड. वेन एवर आई टेक वेबिनार लिप्सा, आई ऑलवेज से जब भी आप लो होते हैं, सारे इमोशंस आते हैं आपके अंदर, ऐसा नहीं है कि आप हमेशा खुश रहें, लेकिन आप उसको ओवरकम करके जब आप खुशी से आप अंदर से इनर मोटिवेशन से बाहर आते हैं, वो कुछ अलग ही समा होता है. यू लव योर लाइफ, यू एंजॉय योर लाइफ. जिंदगी हर सेकेंड जीने का नाम है. जिंदगी एक बार मरना, एक बार जिंदा होना नहीं है. जिंदगी हर सेकेंड, एवरी मिनट, एवरी सेकेंड जीने का टाइम है 24 आवर्स में. खूब फुल ऑफ एंथुजियाज्म रहिए, जो भी करिए दिल लगा कर करिए. आप देखिए लाइफ विल बिकम सो ब्यूटीफुल.
यू आर सो ट्रू मैम, बिकॉज मैं आपका बहुत वीडियोस देखी हूँ. आज मैं मतलब फर्स्ट टाइम मैं आपके साथ लाइव में बात कर रहा हूँ. मतलब स्टार्टिंग इतना एनर्जेटिक है, तो आई होप कि पूरा सेशन ऐसे ही चल जाएगा. थैंक यू वेरी मच मैम. मैं शेफाली मैम का जो आज कुछ मतलब उनका अवार्ड डिटेल्स में बोल रही हूँ. वो आर्मी वाइफ वेलफेयर एसोसिएशन 2011 में AWWA में अवार्ड जीते थे. उसके बाद NNP एकेडमी अवार्ड आउटस्टैंडिंग कंट्रीब्यूशन सोसाइटी 2014. ऐसे बहुत सारे मेरे पास इतना लिस्ट है कि खुद ही मैम बोलेंगे तो अच्छा रहेगा. Because of
Lipsa, I am
yes
really
ma'am.
honored that God has bestowed me so much in my life. and I really thank God, my parents and my family for supporting me so much. My husband, my children, everybody supported me throughout. Whatever I faced in my life, so many surgeries, so many, good and bad both times, they all were together with me and they kept on motivating me always. So that whatever I am today, it's just, I thank God Almighty.
That is so great. Family has the first pillar for us.
Very
And
true.
okay,
And I,
yeah,
yesterday
yes,
we were
ma'am.
talking, and I heard that you also left job to to be there with your husband. So it is also a great, great step into your life, because जो
Sure, ma'am.
God करता है वो अच्छे के लिए करता है. अमिताभ बच्चन ने एक इंटरव्यू में कहा था, जो हमारे पास नहीं है वो खास है, लेकिन जो हमारे
Right.
पास है वो लाजवाब है. इस चीज को हमेशा
Yes.
ध्यान रखिए. So you will do very well and be very successful in life.
Thank you for your blessing, ma'am. Thank you very much, ma'am. मैं ये जो पब्लिक स्पीकर का जर्नी आपका कैसे स्टार्ट हुआ मैम, और इतना कैसे तक गया, लाइक यहाँ पे मेरा जो 200 मेंबर है सारे ही एस्पियर टू पब्लिक स्पीकिंग, और यहाँ पे सारे मोर देन यूथ से और हाउस वर्क जो मेरे मतलब हाउस वर्किंग वुमेन है जो मेरा फ्रेंड्स है वो लोग जुड़ी हुई है. इवन आई हैव स्टार्टेड द पब्लिक स्पीकिंग इन ओडिया लैंग्वेज. बेसिकली दे आर आल्सो वाचिंग राइट नाउ. सो हाउ डू यू
Very
वांट टू
good.
इंस्पायर देम?
Yes, public speaking is the only platform for everyone to speak. It hardly matters who you are, from which background you are, from which profession you are. You are a teacher, professor, kid, student, employee. Anyone can pick up this public speaking. It is such a beautiful thing. If you do technically correct, dil se direct, and you will go ahead in life. You know how I started my journey? I was a national international debater in my college and school days. I always used to get prize for my debates and all. And slowly I got motivated towards this. But once when I got married, I was preparing for IAS, then I got married, and afterwards life changes when you get married. So you keep your passion with you. Don't leave your passion after marriage, for girls also, for boys also, because boys also, sometimes somebody wants to become an engineer and they end up becoming something else in life, so their passion dies. So don't let your passion die. Whatever you want to become later on in life, continue with that passion, come what may, come what circumstances you face. So public speaking, I believe, I came into this field for last 10 to 15 years. I guide the youth about it. I guide so many people about it. The most of the young generation is in touch with me, since I go to colleges to take this. So here in Shivaji College, Delhi University, MIT, Lucknow, and some of the South colleges were there associated with me. And all the youths, they face a little bit of hesitation in public speaking. So first of all, believe in yourself, be prepared well, and you just see the magic. What magic can you create in your audience? If you are believing in yourself, prepared yourself, half of the tension is gone. Now the second part of the tension is to come onto the stage and speaking in front of everyone. So half tension is over. You are prepared. You are absolutely confident. Half of the portion will automatically cover it up. So be confident. Just in the morning say, today is my day and I will rock on today. And you just see the magic. I told you it works, and it worked with me. Once I was taking a session and my auditorium was full, absolutely. So that time I got little bit nervous because I was very young at that time. But my father said one thing: practice in front of the mirror always before going to the in any of the event. आप घर में होते हो, practice yourself, your expressions, your hand movements, your body language, and when the practice is done, you are automatically confident. So just step by step prepare for it, for public speaking. No need to worry. सामने जो बैठे हैं वो आपको सुनने के लिए आए हैं, वो सुन के ही जाएंगे. So just don't worry. Captivate your audience, जो आपको देख रही है, जो आपको सुन रही है. So it will just take you on another level of public speaking.
You are so true, ma'am. It's come to my by heart because मैंने भी जब 12th क्लास तक थी स्कूल्स में उड़ीसा में स्टेट लेवल बहुत सारे इवेंट में वो सर्टिफिकेट सारे आफ्टर मैरिज के बाद मैंने छात के नीचे रख दिया था। तो घर आने के
उसको
बाद
टेक आउट
5 साल के बाद जब मैंने आई उसको निकाल के मैंने देखी इट्स लाइक ए 200 bunch of certificates. Then I realized कि I am belongs to something, but I was somewhere else. Then I attracted and come here. Thanks to the 2020, it's reborn for me.
I
And
know it's an opportunity, you know, Lipsa. 2020 is an
yes,
opportunity to work more. And
sure.
since you are at home, you can manage your house also as well as you can manage your social media with this.
Right,
And your
right.
thoughts, the world is ready to listen your thoughts. Come out, whatever is there in your mind, in your brain, in your thoughts, in your heart, just come out of it and be confident.
राइट मैम राइट बिकॉज बहुत सारे बोलते हैं 2020 क्या ईयर है सब कुछ खत्म हो गया बट मैं बोलूंगी तो ये दिस इज द राइट टाइम फॉर यू टू स्टैंड अप
Very true,
एंड
very true. And you know,
मैम
Lipsa,
यस मैम यस मैम
you know, when you are successful, people are there to put you down. Right? It
राइट
is
राइट
everywhere. It is not that it has happened with me, it will not happen with you. Some people will motivate you, some people will put you down, some people will criticize you, some will support you. All kinds of people are there in your life when you are trying hard for something. Don't deviate from your aim. जो कहते हैं लक्ष्य
यस
हमारा जो होता है उससे नहीं
जी
हटना
मैम
है. Come what may, you have in your mind what you want to become, what you want to do. Go ahead with that and you will achieve it.
so correct ma'am because I remember one word of APJ Abdul Kalam if there is no struggle in your path of success your life has become tasteless that's
Very
true
true. It's like a simple straight line on ECG
yes
means you are not there. So ups and
yes
downs they keeps on taking place. Absolutely correct.
Yes, ma'am strongly believes that today's youth is our future of country, and she has accordingly dedicated herself for the upliftment of the society and encouragement of the youth to think positive contribution towards building a new nation. So, ma'am, today you want to say something five pillar of happiness for the youth. How
बिल्कुल
you
अभी
want to tell this?
I was just
हाँ बताइए.
going to come on this, Lipsa.
Yes.
My first take on for youth is आप अपना GPS अपने साथ लेके रखिए. G is gratitude, P for positivity, S for strength. If you work with your own GPS, you are going to be a very good human being, and that is our aim to become in life. Money is required, everything is required, but आपका good human being होना is also a very much required. So अपना GPS अपने पास रखिए. And now I will tell you about 5 happy practices which you must follow in your life. Number 1 is letting go. किसी भी चीज को दिल से मत लगा कर रखिए. किसी ने कुछ कह दिया वो उसका थॉट था. It was not your life, it was not your thought, it was not your thinking. Right? So it is their thought, their life, their study, whatever is there, it is theirs, it is not yours. So किसी ने आपको कुछ हल्का सा कह दिया, just let it go. Oh, come on, let's move ahead. Just wind up there then and there only and move ahead, because grudges रखने से फिर हम उन grudges को follow करते हैं. I remember one story regarding this which was very famous few days back on WhatsApp too. There was a monk who was with his disciple. He was trying to cross the river, and there they find a woman sitting on a wheelchair and thinking how to cross the river because she was not able to. So the monk, I think you must have heard, Lipsa, this story. And the monk, you know, the disciple, he moved on. He just started walking the river and he just crossed the river. The monk, what he did, he picked up that lady into his lap and he crossed the river, and he made her cross that river. So after some time, they were walking all together quietly, but the disciple, he was very upset. He says कि आपको पता है हमारे उसमें है कि हम लेडीज को हाथ या गर्ल्स को हाथ नहीं लगाते हैं, तो फिर आपने कैसे उसको उठाकर गोदी में एंड रोड क्रॉस करा दिया? Do you know what mom said? He says, मैंने तो वो क्रॉस करा के वो वहीं छोड़ दिया अपने थॉट्स अपना वो. आप उसके ग्रजेस को अभी तक लेके चल रहे हो. After 2 miles we have already walked. So this shows us that grudges, whatever is there in your heart, मूव अहेड विद दिस। आप उसको लेकर मत बैठिए। आज आपकी किसी से सपोज आपका बॉस है, उनसे लड़ाई हुई, आपका हस्बैंड से लड़ाई हुई, किसी का वाइफ से लड़ाई हुआ, किसी की आपस में फ्रेंड सर्कल में इफ यू आर नॉट गेटिंग अलोंग टुगेदर वेल, सो find out the reason, talk to a person. Communication is required for this. You will be very happy if you will communicate with a person whom you are having some misunderstandings, so that one to one clarify ho jayega, and the other person, if you find that that person is not able to get along with you, then move on, letting go the things. Don't carry in your heart, you know, हमारा जो heart है, हम किसी को भी खुश नहीं रख सकते हैं, है ना, हर किसी को नहीं खुश रख सकते हैं। अपना मन साफ रखिए एंड कीप ऑन मूविंग अहेड विद अ फुल प्योर हार्ट, एंड यू विल फाइंड one way of happiness. My second way of happiness is invite positive seeds. As you sow, so shall you reap. We have heard this saying a lot. So always invite positive seeds in among yourself, around yourself, wherever you go. थोड़ी सी हलचल मचा दीजिए जहां पर आप जाइए। ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए डल सा माहौल है जहां आप है, लोगों को पता होना चाहिए कि यस द पॉजिटिव ऑरा इज कमिंग फ्रॉम यू। और किसी से लेना भी है तो पॉजिटिवनेस लीजिए, बिकॉज दैट इज द यू नो पॉजिटिव थिंकिंग इज हाफ वर्क डन। आपका 50% काम फिनिश हो गया है, आपने अगर पॉजिटिव थॉट लिया हुआ है।
राइट।
And display positive. That's what my mantra of life is. DP, carry your own DP, carry your own GPS. Positivity will come around. I had seen one experiment, somebody doing that. You know what he did? He poured something black in a glass of water, and he kept on pouring water into that. So the black was coming out, but he required 2 liters of water of taking out that 50 ml of black portion. So black portion represented the negativity, and the water was showing the positivity. So how much positive thoughts we require to reduce our negative thought, just a little bit of negative thoughts. So अपनी life के लिए, अपनी help करने के लिए invite positive seeds in you, so that it will slowly build a good rapport with your heart and soul, and automatically you will feel happy within inside. My third take on is mindful based on joy. You know, आपके happiness की चाबी आपके पास है. Nobody else is responsible for your happiness. The key is with you. If now you are not able to open a lock, don't worry. Feelings are there, emotions are there. Just keep on trying to open the lock with the same key. You know, it will open after some time. कभी आपने देखा होगा लॉक खुलता नहीं है, बहुत जोर लगाते हैं हम, कुछ एडजस्टमेंट्स करते हैं, right? So keep on trying this key of happiness. Carry your key of happiness with you, so that this joy will give you that inner happiness, inner motivation. कभी ऐसा होता है कि हम अंदर से हैप्पी नहीं होते हैं. समटाइम्स वी आर लाइक, सोसाइटी में कुछ ऐसी बातें हो जाती है कि जिनसे आपको हैप्पीनेस नहीं मिलती है. बहुत सारे ऐसे सर्कमस्टांसेस हमारी लाइफ में आते जाते रहते हैं. जस्ट फ्यू सेकेंड्स, क्लोज योर आईज, come back into your state and move ahead. This will give you immense joy in your life. My next take on is know your strength. हमने एक स्टोरी सुनी है ईगल की. जब ईगल बहुत बारिश होती है या फिर बिजली चमकती है तो बादलों से ऊपर उड़कर अपनी जान बचाता है. लेकिन सिर्फ एक क्रो ऐसा है जो उसकी गर्दन पर ऐसे टक 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 करता रहता है, एंड वो इतना ऊंचा उड़ता है कि क्रो अपने आप लेस ऑफ ऑक्सीजन की वजह से नीचे गिर जाता है. सो दिस स्टोरी टीचेस अस that we should know our strength. Like eagle knew that if he fly high, then crow will automatically fall down. So many people are there to stop you, but we should know our strength. What is our strength? Right now, if you are good in writing, go ahead with it. If you are good in public speaking, go ahead with it. Know your strength. Sometimes when we are in like 7th or 8th standard, we don't know exactly where we are going. But our teacher tells us ki, yes, you are good in this, or your report card tells us, or your reward, whatever motivation you get in school, then you come to know, yes, this thing was in me. Sometimes it happens in the school कि कोई कभी colleges में भी ऐसा हुआ है, like we don't want to do modeling, but yes, teacher says no, you have to do it. So when we do it, it comes out excellent, an excellent effort we put in that, and we said okay, ये हमारे अंदर था, we did this, we did so good. So keep on, अपने अंदर चीजों को ढूंढिए, आपकी स्ट्रेंथ क्या है, एंड स्टार्ट वर्किंग ऑन इट. किसी भी एज में आपकी इनर स्ट्रेंथ, आपकी क्या है वो स्ट्रेंथ, उसमें आप मूव ऑन कर सकते हैं. देन माय नेक्स्ट टेक ऑन इज इनसाइट. आपका ब्रेन आपका वर्क कैसे आपको आगे करना है वो बताता है. योर इनसाइट, हम बैंक में लिप्सा क्या जमा करते हैं? व्हाट डू यू डिपॉजिट इन योर बैंक? मनी. What you take out from the bank? Money. So your brain is like a bank, whatever you are depositing will only come out, right? So always
Correct.
put a nice thoughts in your room. एक room है जो बहुत neat and clean है, organized है, you automatically love that room. But एक room है which is full of clutter, you don't like that room. Yeah, we went there and the house was not good, and we didn't find anything very nice in the house. So automatically your brain cells gives you indication what you like, what you don't like. So same way, आपके inside is like a room. आप brain में एक छोटा सा room है आपका brain, उसको keep on cleaning it. आते हैं कुछ हमारे mind में भी कुछ thoughts ऐसे आते हैं which are not good, but let it come, let it go. Because brain हमारा इस तरह से work करता है कि आप जो उसमें feed करेंगे वही चीज feed होगी. It's like a computer, हम कोई नई चीज नहीं करते हैं. Everything is inside it. It tells us, it gives us a signal on many occasions that okay, sixth sense we call it. So अपने mind को organize रखिए, neat and clean thoughts को आने दीजिए, positive रहिए, and this is my 5 secrets of happy life. किसी के भी कहने से कभी कुछ करना मत रोकिए. Keep continuing your work. Keep continuing carrying your passion till end. एक लक्ष्य मूवी आई थी, आपने देखा होगा, ऋतिक रोशन की थी. That was such a good movie. उसने अपना लक्ष्य एंड में उसको मिल गया था. So आप वर्क करते रहिए, कीप ट्राइंग. हमारे हरिवंश राय बच्चन जी ने भी कहा है, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती. So keep trying. And you will certainly attain very good human being traits in you.
Thank you very much, ma'am. That 5 points what you told is like a golden points, like a diamond point for me. I guess I learned a lot. I just remember कि मैं एक NLP क्लास कर रही थी, अनुपमा मैम थे, मॉर्निंग 7 o'clock क्लास था. तो वो हमेशा मॉर्निंग में क्या करते थे, खड़ा करके हमको बोल रही थी कि माई लाइफ इज ब्यूटीफुल बिकॉज आई मेड इट एज ए ब्यूटीफुल. So this line is connected with this happiness. I am like, why she is telling every day the single word for 15 days continuously? Now I was, अभी सोच रही हूँ कि वो वर्ड का कुछ वैल्यू है, मीनिंग बहुत कुछ है, इसलिए वो कंटिन्यू वही बात बोल रहे थे.
करेक्ट. when you repeat something, आपने देखा होगा जब आप कोशिश करते हैं, बहुत दिल से, शाहरुख खान ने एक वर्ड बोला है ना, किसी चीज को इतनी शिद्दत से चाहो तो सारी कायनात उससे मिलाने की कोशिश करती है. सेम में अगर आपने कुछ सोचा हुआ है तो ऑटोमेटिकली चीजें उसी तरह से हैपन होती है. दिस इज अ यूनिवर्सल लॉ, सो यूनिवर्सल अट्रैक्शन है, चीजें उसी तरह से होती जाती है हमारे सामने. आई डिडंट नो दैट आई विल कम इन यूनिक स्पीक्स, and things happen like that I am in front of you. So things happen when you desire to do it. If you are not having the desire to do it, then things won't happen this way. So be positive and keep looking up always. Learn from your past and experience and just go ahead with your life.
मैंने भी लास्ट वीक बहुत सारे लोगों को इनवाइट करने के लिए ट्राई कर रही थी, बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली वो लोग खुद बात करने के लिए नहीं चाह रहे थे. आप जब मैसेज किए मुझे, I am wondering कि आप इतना मतलब great personality, how come they recognize me and come here? I'm really today so happy and glad.
No, Lipsa, I always work with youth, and that is my forte because I want to guide them for further future, and our
Yes.
country's future lies in them. Whatever they are
Yes,
today,
so
if they
true.
are blocking themselves somewhere, it is my duty to unblock them anywhere in
So
their
true, ma'am.
thoughts.
So true.
So right
So
now
true,
also
ma'am.
I have almost lots and lots of youth which are connected with me. They keep calling me, ma'am, aise ho gaya now. What should we do? So I always tell them, move ahead. Keep leaving things and move ahead because आप मार्केट भी जाते हो आप अपने 2-3 बैगे से ज्यादा क्या आप उठा पाते हो नहीं उठा पाते हो ना सेम वे योर हार्ट इज हार्ट आपका वही कैरी कर सकता है जितना उसका लोड है उससे ज्यादा आप कैरी कराओगे तो आप परेशान हो जाओगे so be happy covid-19 is also Lipsa for everyone everyone is suffering people have lost their job people are suffering from many way but God is great that he has given us this opportunity to be alive so thank God
Right,
and
right.
keep doing your good work एक डोर बंद हुआ है दूसरा खुल जाएगा दूसरा बंद होगा तीसरा
So
खुल
true.
जाएगा if you have in you then no need to worry so worry less
It's
life
very
and
true. It's
happy
very
life
true, ma'am. It's
yeah
very true, ma'am.
and be
Thank you very much,
vibrant
ma'am.
Lipsa, be vibrant, be
Sure, ma'am.
cheerful, be radiant, be confident, and wish you all the success of Unique Speaks. And I believe we'll surely meet next time whenever is possible.
Sure, ma'am.
And thank you so much for inviting, Lipsa. It was wonderful
Thank
talking to
you very
you.
much, ma'am. Thank you very much. It's like a friendly interaction with you. I never expect this thing. I am going to call you regularly to how, ma'am, this is
Sure.
happening. What I will go, what I will do.
Anytime, most welcome. Anytime, Lipsa. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Anything you want to message to youth in last line?
My message is carry your own DP, make your own GPS. D for display, P for positivity, GPS means G for gratitude, P for positivity, S for strength. Carry your GPS. No need to put it on your phone. अपना GPS खुद
Thank you very
बनाइए
much,
अभी
ma'am.
बहुत टाइम है
GPS, that word is very, it's like diamond type. Very good, ma'am.
Best
Thank you
of
very much,
life.
ma'am. Yes.
Thank you so much,
No, that
Lisa.
word gratitude, P for positivity, S for
Strength. Strength.
strength.
Know
Yes.
your strength. Yeah.
Yes, it's so true, ma'am. Thank you very much, ma'am, joining with us. We'll have the next session surely. Thank you very much, ma'am.
so
Thank you,
much.
ma'am.
Thank you.